Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Frost Bank easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin investing with Frost Bank, visit their official website. On the home page, locate the Investing tab in the navigation menu. Click on the Investing tab to explore the investment options available. You will find different types of investment accounts offered by Frost Bank. Choose an account type that best suits your financial goals. Next, click on the Open an Account button for the selected investment account. A new page will appear with an application form. Fill out the application form with your personal information. Be prepared to provide your social security number, date of birth, and contact details. After completing the personal information section, move on to the financial information section. Here, you'll provide details about your employment, income, and net worth. Once your financial information is submitted, review all your details for accuracy. After verifying your information, proceed to the Consent and Agreements section. Carefully read the terms and conditions to understand your rights and responsibilities. If you agree to the terms, check the Acceptance box. Now, you will need to fund your investment account. Select your preferred funding method, such as a bank transfer or wire transfer. Input the amount you wish to deposit to start investing. Once you have set up funding, submit your application. After your application is submitted, await confirmation from Frost Bank. Once you receive confirmation, you will receive instructions on how to access your investment account. Log in to your Frost Bank account using the provided credentials. Navigate to the investment dashboard to explore available investment options. Here you can choose from stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Research the investment options that interest you. Consider factors such as risk tolerance, return expectations, and time horizon. Once you decide on an investment, click on it for more details. To invest, specify the amount you'd like to allocate to this investment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.